Consider the sequence whose first four terms are 2, 6, 18, 54. Select the function with the domain of all integers n greater than or equal to 1 that can be used to define and continue this sequence. So probably the first thing you do when you see this sequence is you try and find the pattern, and I think you'll quickly find that it's multiplied by 3 each time. Okay. But that's not really what this this problem is asking us for. It's asking us to find the function that that can be used to define and continue this sequence. So what I want you to recognize is that we're thinking of this as a function. So this function could be kind of thought of like this. I'll just make a quick table. N and f of n. So like inputs and outputs. N is the term number. See this n that shows up in each function? N is the term number. So at term 1, the output is 2. At term 2, the value or output is 6. Term 3, 18. 4, 54. So this is the term number, and this is the value or output. So that's how this is. That's what this n is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that f of 4 is equal to 54. And now we can use this to test each of these and see what we get when n is 4. So 2 times 3 to the 4th power. This one you get 162, so it can't be right. This one you get 48, close but not right. This one you get you need to be careful when using your calculator with these n-1s here. You need to use parentheses, so 4 minus 1. Because otherwise, without the parentheses, it's not gonna subtract a 1 before it uses the exponent. 54, okay? That's good. Let's just check this one to make sure that they're not both true, because then we'll have to look at a different n value. 3 times 2 to the 4 minus 1. 24. Okay, so this is out. So just to reiterate what I was saying about those parentheses, if I did 2 times 3 to the 4 minus 1, this is the same as this one here. I don't get 54. Why? Because what it's doing is it's following its order of operations. It's saying exponents first, then multiplications, then subtractions. So it's not, and you need it to do the subtraction before it applies the exponent. So you need these parentheses to force it to subtract before it applies the exponent. Okay. So the correct answer was D. Oops. No, the correct answer was C. Good thing I'm using this pencil, that I've erased all stray marks so the computer will know that I intended to answer C.